Hey everyone, I'm Sumek Agarkar and welcome to my YouTube channel. In this video, we're going to understand how Google makes money when most of their products are completely free. So most of us have used Google in some form or the other. We have already used Google, the search engine, for searching for websites on internet. We have used YouTube, this YouTube platform which you are already seeing this video on. This is also one of the products from Google and it is completely free. We use Gmail, which is also free. We use Google Maps on our mobile phones to search for navigation. That is also completely free. There are tons of products from Google or the Alphabet is the parent company of Google. So there are tons of free products from this company which are just completely free to use. But how do they make money if all of this stuff is completely free? That is the exact question that we are going to answer, and also understand what is the thing that we can as a businessman or a freelancer learn from this stuff and just apply it in our business to earn money. So that is what we are going to answer in this question. So watch the video till the end. Let's get started with the video. So first of all, what it would cost for you to have all of these products yourself. If you want to build these products, it is going to take a lot of amount of time and work and people to work around with, and lots of money to build these kind of products. Google search engine is one of the biggest search engine, or the biggest search engine in the world. Not one of the biggest search engine in the world, but the biggest search engine in the world. YouTube is the second biggest search engine in the world, and all of these stuffs. Google Maps is one of the most used maps in the world. There are other maps as well, but Google Maps is the most used maps in the world. Gmail is one of the most used email system in the world. So you can understand building these kind of products is very costly. It takes a lot of amount of time, it takes a lot of amount of money and lot of amount of people to make these kind of products. So as an individual, we cannot even think of making our own products which are very similar to Google's products that we usually use. So that out of the mind, you have already understood that it is going to cost a lot of money and lot of time and effort to make these kind of products. Now let's understand, why do Google give all of this for free for us? So the biggest reason that Google can give this for free for us is because they earn indirectly from these services. Not directly from these services, but indirectly from these services. This is one thing, this is the biggest thing that we need to understand. They are not earning directly from the services. So there is no subscription for YouTube, there is no subscription for Google search, there is no subscription for Google Maps, and no Gmail and nothing like that, right? All of them are completely free, but they don't earn directly, they earn indirectly. And what does that indirectly means? Let's hop on to the screen and let's understand one of the things, that how Google actually earns money from the Google search engine. So that is what we are going to understand. Let's get onto the screen. So this is my screen. Let's search, let's say something like YouTube videos, right? Maybe that is one thing which I just want to understand. So all of you know that this is how it shows up. So if you just search for any string, all of these searches, you already know that this is the searches that you can look for. Now let's see, let's search for one thing, publish paper. So maybe you want to publish a paper in some journal. Now look at this, what is written here? Ad at the top. What is written here? This one. If I can just zoom it in, what is written here? Ad. What is written here? Ad. And from here on, there are no ads, right? So the top 2 or 3 are always ads. And that is what these companies, maybe this elsevier.com and this IJARIIT or something like that, whatever that is, these companies are paying to Google to have these links at the top. That is the exact thing that you can also do with your company. If you have a website of your own, you can pay to Google to have the links at the top of the search result. No matter what, how much your SEO is done, nothing will be considered at all. Just because you're just paying money to Google, your ads will be showing up onto the Google, right? So this is what one of the best ways Google search engine earns money from Google search engine. Google earns money from the Google search engine. That is one way. The other way, you have already seen, maybe I have a premium subscription for Google, so I cannot see any type of ads. But if I just open up an incognito window, I think I can show you some ads. Let's see. If I just start a YouTube, right? And don't worry, I am not even considering for which video to look at. Let's just go to if I can find something like trending. There's no trending tab right around here. There has to be a trending tab right around here. But anyways, let's go to explore and let's start the first video that we get. Maybe this one, right? Pre-register for battlegrounds. Right now there is no advertisement that is showing up, but you might have already seen that there are sometimes some ads that show up when you open the website or open the YouTube, right? So that is what there is what from where Google earns money. So I'm just going to try to go, yeah, this one. Look at this. If you can see here, right around here, this is again an advertisement, right? And this advertisement has been paid by this company, right? So whatever the company that is giving this ad, here also you can see CoinSwitch app, it is giving an advertisement. So though for you and for the creators, YouTube is completely free. You can watch the videos for free on YouTube. Also the other the creators like me, I can put up the videos for free on YouTube, but YouTube is earning money from these advertisements, right? So here you can see ad, here you can see ad. So that is what how Google earns money from these advertisements. Now there are other products as well from where Google earns money. So if you are using Gmail, generally they have something like 15 or 25 GB of data cap. So you cannot have more than, I think, 15 or 25. I'm not very exactly sure of how much the data cap is, because I have already paid and I'm not remembering exact number, but it is, I think, 15 or 25 GBs of data that you get for free for storing your data in the Gmail account. If the data exceeds above that data cap, then you have to pay for the Gmail usage as well. So that is other way that Google can earn money from your Gmail as well, right? There are other tons of services where you have to pay. For example, Google Cloud is one of the cloud platform from Google where you can host your websites and host your other applications as well, and that is not free, that you have to pay for. There are tons, Google and Alphabet is a very huge company. I know you already know that it is one of the biggest companies in the world, not just in one country but in the world. It is one of the biggest companies, right? So they have many streams of income. They don't directly charge you for most of the products, they will charge you indirectly. So some part of it is free for your usage and the other part is you have to pay for it. So that is exactly what you can apply in your business as well. Let's talk about what can be done for your business to earn money in your whatever business that you are having. So the first thing that comes up is the free content, the freebies, right? In your business, what are the things that you can give for free to your customers? Maybe some things that you give for free when you buy something else. So maybe you have one product, let's say 1,000 rupees product which your customer has bought. Maybe you can give 10 rupees or 15 rupees or maybe 100 rupees depending on what you want to give for free, that you can give for free to your customers. So this is one way of charging indirectly. You give it for free, and that's why your customer base first of all increases. When you give something for free, your customer base increases. That is the exact strategy that has been used by Jio as well. Just remember, for 1 year the Reliance Jio gave data for free for all the users, right? So for 1 year, at least for 3 months, or most of the people got free data for 3 months at least, and for 1 year it was completely free. Jio was not earning money from that freebies. Of course, when I'm giving 1.5 GB of data for free for every day, it is going to cost me a lot, right? So Mukesh Ambani put up all the cost from his pockets, from the company's pockets, of course, not his own pockets, but from the company's pocket. But that's just a way to understand things. So he put up all his money to give it for free to all the peoples, right? What happened due to that? His customer base increased, Jio's customer base increased, and because of that, now later on they can charge a lot of money from the customers. So just remember, or just try to grasp this concept. Before Jio came, you might just recharge for 20 rupees, 30 rupees, 50 rupees, at max 100 rupees. That was your maximum monthly payment or maximum monthly spending on your mobile phones or mobile data and stuff like that, right? That was before Jio. But when Jio came along, now your minimum monthly is 150 rupees or maybe 200 rupees, depending on what plan you're using. So they have increased your spending on these plans just because you are able to now pay more and just use more. So first of all, they build up the customer base. First build the customer base by giving it some free, and then charge money from them later on. So that is one of the ways, not exactly the way how Google and Jio works, but just a comparison between how first of all giving it for free makes it easy for everyone to for the company to earn later on. So that is what now Google can, or let's understand YouTube as the last point. Let's understand YouTube, how YouTube is profitable. Even though uploading these kind of or storing these kind of videos, these big videos on a server is going to cost a huge amount of money to YouTube, but just because it is for free for all the viewers, everyone is going to use YouTube because it is completely free, right? Everyone is going to use because YouTube is free. Now because everyone is using YouTube, they have the opportunity to show up ads and charge the other companies for showing up their ads on the YouTube platform. So that is one way how YouTube is earning money. Now because everyone is using YouTube, YouTube can charge other companies to show their ads on YouTube. That is how this all things indirect income of YouTube works. So and other, of course there are other products as well where from YouTube Google earns a lot of money, but that is what you can do as well. Just build a customer base first of all. Once you have a customer base, later on you can find out other ways to charge or earn the money from your customers. Maybe that also means that for the initial period of time, you'll have to spend from your pockets to pay for the expenses that you are going to pay for, So if you want to give some products for free to your customers, you'll have to pay from your pockets, right? That is what you have to do for the initial phase. That is the investment part of your company or your business that you have to carry on with. And later on, you can just charge your customers for other stuff as well. So I hope you understood how Google earns money from, all these freebie accounts and all these free products, and there are other methods as well, but how also you can use these methods in your business to earn a lot of money later on, not just in the beginning, right? So I hope you learned something from this video. If you like this video, please give it a thumbs up. If you haven't yet subscribed to this YouTube channel, please do subscribe. Share this video with your friends and families so that they can also understand how YouTube and how Google earns money and how they can also earn money indirectly later on from their business. See you in the next video. Till then, keep smiling and keep learning.